Welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iSTYLEMYSTYLE, and today I thought I would show you how I am styling the console table in my living room. So I showed you how I styled my entryway table. If you missed that video, I will leave a link for it in the iCards above as well as in the description box below. And today we're going to decorate our console table in the living room for winter. So it's not necessarily winter decor, it's just a new aesthetic for the living room. So I showed you guys that I purchased this, I believe, yeah, it was at Home Goods, and it was $19.99. I'm leaving the tag on to make sure that I really like it. It's something that I want to use in my home. And that's one of the tips I would recommend, is do not take your tags off until you're sure you're going to like the item that you purchased. The same thing with this metal art sculpture. It was $39.99. So I'm leaving the tag on it as well to make sure it's something that I'm going to enjoy in my home. I like to keep new items that I purchased for at least 30 days. And then if I'm not loving it, I can always take it back. So always make sure you also keep your receipts. So I have added another of the lamps that I also picked up at Home Goods. I showed you those in my entryway restyling for winter, and they were $79.99. They didn't come with a black shade. They came with a different one. And I changed it because black and white are my signature colors, and I wanted it to have a more dramatic pop than it did. So I took a shade from an old lamp and added it to this one. And then my torso statue, I told you guys I was on the hunt for it. I never found it at Home Goods, but I was able to pick it up from Wayfair, and I love it. I think I paid $120 for it, more than what you could have picked it up at Home Goods. I think it was going for $65 at Home Goods, but I can never find it, so I picked it up from Wayfair. But I absolutely love the way it looks here, so I'm gonna leave that there. And the paintings I picked up from Burlington. It's been 2 years ago now. And I love the pop of gold that's in it. Gold is really not my color, but this particular gold, it's not too bad. My boyfriend even likes it. He's not a gold fan either, but it's more of a light champagne-y look, so we both like it. The frames are different. I still need to go ahead and paint the frames out, but I'm not sure if I want to paint it gold or silver. I can't make up my mind, so they've just been those two colors for the past couple of years, but I do need to get around to painting them. But I do love this look. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Now, I also bought one other thing, and we are going to try it here in that space as well. So hold on just a moment. Alright, so here is the other item that I picked up in one of my Home Goods shopping trips. This I picked up because it reminded me of the ones that are sold at Z Gallery, and this one was $29.99, and one of the little things is kind of loose, like this one. So I asked for a discount. If you ever find any type of imperfection, don't be afraid to ask for a discount, and in this case they gave me $3 off, so I ended up paying $27 for it instead of $30. And I love the way it looks here too. It gives me the white that I love, the black and white combination. So now I'm not really sure which look I want to go with. Which one do you like better? The first styling or the second styling? Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think looks best. So if you are new here, my name is Sheryl. I love all things home decor. I love decorating my home with style on a budget and trying to make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if that is something you are into as well and you have enjoyed today's content, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell and become a member of the iSTYLEMYSTYLE family. So yeah, I am really liking this look. And I hope you do as well. So that is all I have for you.